Good afternoon, friends. This is your HR friend Girish. Under the employee welfare activity, which is very important activity, comes under the HR department and the management policy. During the severe second wave of corona, most of the professionally managed companies they are providing two very important medical diagnosing toolkits. And these two toolkits are useful for their employees and their families. Those are working exclusively work from home. And these two tools are, first one tool is digital pulse oximeter. And now I am going to demonstrate live how this digital pulse oximeter works. This is a digital pulse oximeter. I am going to put my finger here and I am going to switch on this. Okay, so I request the camera to just take focus on this, and here the digital pulse oximeter has been started. So here this has been started. This takes 30 seconds, and here you can find the first number, which is left side is called as the oxygen concentration or oxygen level available in the blood. So here I am using, for me it's my blood. So here the ideal percentage, and this is measured in the percentage, and the ideal percentage is more than 95. So here the 98% is there. So this is good and this is okay. And coming to, and this is the oxygen concentration, what I am talking, 98. And the second and very important parameter, it is called as the pulse rate, beats per minute, and here it is showing 116. So the ideally now it is 115 and it will going to, now it is 114, and this should be ideally less than 100 and more than 60. That is a normal condition. And this is a pulse rate. It is a, you can say it's a heartbeat rate or the pulse rate. It's a measured in beats per minute. Okay. And the third and very important parameter is called as the perfusion index. Here it is showing the PI. The percentage is the PI is nothing but the perfusion index. Perfusion index is measured in the percentage, and here it is showing 5.8 and 6. Now it was 6.1 and now it is 5.9. So the ideal perfusion index should be, now it is 6.56. The ideal perfusion index should be more than 0.2%, and the maximum it should be 20%. Coming to the yellow color wave, you can see here, this is called as a plethysmogram. This shows the volume of the blood and associated pressure available in that exclusive space, specific space. And here I have put my index finger. So as per the medical terminology or the medical professional, we can put index finger and the middle finger, and here I have put my index finger. So the volume of the blood and the associated pressure in my index finger, it is showing. And here, if the to see this whether good, so this is a good. Why? Means the amplitude of the wave is uniform. So this clears that the blood volume and its pressure is normal, under normal condition. So these four parameters are important, and here very importantly, as per the oxygen level is concerned or the oxygen concentration is concerned, if this goes less than 95, you need to immediately consult your family doctor. Or if this goes less than 90 percentage, so then it is called as a medical emergency. So you need to rush at any cost. And this is applicable to pulse rate also, and even perfusion index also, and at the same time blood volume and associated blood volume, and along with that associated pressure also. These four parameters we can check here, and these four parameters are very useful. And the next one more tool I want to show you here. So this is the first tool, and the second tool I want to show here. So this is digital thermometer. So this is called as a digital thermometer, and this digital thermometer is also being provided from the company to measure the temperature of their employees. Those are working the work from home. So here this is starting. Okay, so we can put this digital thermometer below the tongue, and here you can see the beep sound is there. So beep sound, this shows that you can put or anybody can put before the tongue of a patient or a normal person. So after putting below the tongue for more than 90 seconds or 1.5 minutes, so another beep sound will come. So here I want to show a demonstration here. So here suppose if I put here my hands, so you can see the readings. So this will go to the maximum reading. Okay, so it will increase, and once the reading becomes constant, you can get the beep sound. And after beep sound, you need to just remove from your tongue or anybody's tongue below the tongue. So then that would be the final reading of the temperature. And this temperature is measured both in Fahrenheit and the degree. And here presently this digital thermometer is set in Fahrenheit. If the temperature is below 99, it's a normal, and between 99 to 102, it's a light temperature or the light fever, and if it is more than 102 Fahrenheit, this is the severe or high fever. So as per the medical terminology and as per the reliable sources of the medical professionals. So these two tools are very, very important. So thank you very much, friends. And again I want to show you these two tools. One is oximeter, okay, and the digital thermometer. So oximeter and digital thermometer. So these two are very, very useful medical diagnostic monitoring tools for each and every employee or any of the person who is working from the home to take care of themselves and to check their oxygen concentration levels in the blood and the pulse rate, perfusion index also, and at the same time plethysmogram and the temperature by using the digital thermometer. So thank you very much, friends, by listening me. So and these are very, very important tools presently, especially in this second wave of the COVID. So please take care of yourself, please wear masks, please keep the physical distance from each other, and please follow all the government norms. Thank you very much and all the best to you. Bye.